Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a number or contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app and then tap on recent option. Now from here, if you want to block this unknown number, just tap here and then tap on this icon, and at the bottom you can see block option, then just tap on block, then tap on block again to confirm it, and it's done. You can see your number has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a icon which means the number is blocked now. Now I will show you how to block a contacts. Just tap on contacts and then choose any contacts that you want to block. If I select it, then tap on this eye icon and then tap on three dots, and here you can see block contact option, then just tap here, then tap on block again to confirm it, and it's done. You can see the contact has been blocked successfully. Now I will show you how to unblock a number or contacts. Just open up your phone app again, then tap on recent, then tap on three dots, then go to settings option. After that tap on block numbers option, and that's it. From here you can find your all the block number or contacts. Now if you want to unblock any number or contacts, just tap on this minus icon and it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number or contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.